Have you ever wondered how plants breathe? They don't have lungs like we do, but hidden on every leaf are countless microscopic pores working to keep the plant alive, and in a way, even us. These tiny openings are called stomata. Stomata is the plural of stoma, which means mouth in Greek. And that's sort of what they are, tiny mouths that open and close to let gases in and out. Most of the stomata are found on the underside of leaves. Their job is very important. During photosynthesis, stomata regulate the exchange of gases, letting in carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. It's a bit like a plant breathing in what it needs and breathing out what we need. Each stomata is controlled by two guard cells, which are kind of like soft, flexible lips. When the plant has plenty of water, these guard cells will swell up and pull apart, opening the stoma. When there's not enough water, they shrink and the stoma closes. It's kind of like pounding your lips. This clever opening and closing happens thanks to osmosis, which is a fancy word for how water moves in and out of the guard cells. When the stomata are open, the plant absorbs carbon dioxide from the air, which it uses to make glucose, which is plant food, during photosynthesis. And guess what? The plant releases oxygen at the same time, which is a byproduct of this whole process. While plants make their own food, they're also giving us clean air to breathe. In fact, the Amazon rainforest, one of the largest forests in the world, is often nicknamed the lungs of the earth because its millions of trees and plants release huge amounts of oxygen every day. Plants are quite smart. They don't keep their mouths open all the time. As the sun sets and photosynthesis slows down, the stomata close to help prevent water loss. Water loss is part of something called transpiration, which is how water evaporates from a plant's leaves. Closing the stomata at night or in very dry weather helps the plant conserve water. I find it fascinating how something so tiny has such a big role to play. Without stomata, plants couldn't survive, and without plants, neither could we. Breathing in this fresh air sure is nice. Well, now that you've watched this video, next time you see a leaf, remember it's breathing too.